Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, boys and girls. Santa here at the workshop, and I've got a special list just for you. These are my top 7 funny Christmas movies for kids. Ready? Let's go. First up is Elf. Buddy the Elf is so silly. Even the elves here at the workshop can't stop laughing. Cotton-headed ninny muggins. Ho ho ho, what a mouthful. Next is the Grinch. He tries so hard to be grumpy. But kids, you can't help but laugh when his plans go hilariously wrong. Don't worry, his heart grows in the end. Then we have Home Alone. Kevin outsmarts those bumbling burglars with pranks and traps. Ho ho ho, even Mrs. Claus laughs out loud at that one. Another funny one is the Christmas Chronicles. A Jolly Santa. Hey, he looks a bit familiar, goes on a wild adventure with some kids. Lots of laughs and plenty of Christmas cheer. Don't forget Arthur Christmas. Arthur's clumsy, goofy, and oh so lovable. His mix-ups will have you laughing all the way to the North Pole. Here's a silly one for the whole family. Jingle all the way. Turbo Man. The chase for that toy is as funny as watching my reindeer try to ice skate.
And finally, A Muppet Christmas Carol. Kermit, Miss Piggy, and the gang bring silly songs, jokes, and a Christmas classic that always makes the elves giggle.
Ho ho ho! There you have it, Santa's top 7 funny Christmas movies for kids. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below, and maybe I'll share it with the elves. Until next time, Merry Christmas and keep laughing, kids. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.